The civil authorities in your area have issued a civil emergency message. The message shall follow. Unusual activity has been detected on the network computers controlling the nuclear reactor Arkansas Nuclear Number 1. This activity cannot be traced and at this time cannot be stopped. This could lead to malfunction of the nuclear reactor, however it is assumed the malfunction isn't anything to worry about. Civil emergency message valid until further notice.
This is a national emergency. Life-saving information to follow. The strange activity on the computer network controlling Reactor Arkansas Nuclear 1 has been traced. It is coming from the Russian Federation. It is believed that these signals have the intent to cause malfunction in the nuclear reactor that would make it explode. If it explodes, nuclear fallout would cover most of the United States. At this time, you are urged to pack food and water to last for 20 days for each member of the family, several pairs of clothing for each member, a gas mask, a hand crank or battery-operated radio. When you finish packing, be as loud as possible outside of your home. Local authorities will help you seek underground nuclear shelter. If local authorities do not arrive to your home within 30 minutes of you making noise, seek shelter on the lowest floor of your home. Close any and all entrances to your home with damp towels, especially the ones in your shelter, and tune into local radio stations for more information on this life-threatening situation. Repeating, outsiders are attempting to cause malfunction to Arkansas Nuclear Reactor 1, threatening everybody in the United States with nuclear fallout. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions, and exposure to it can cause severe health issues and certain death. This activity cannot be stopped and a nuclear explosion is very likely. Seek shelter now. 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 All clear, all clear, all clear. The explosion of the nuclear reactor Arkansas 1 that was announced a month ago is over. The fallout is clear. You can now come out of your shelter safely.